Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale and I make videos on makeup, motherhood and fashion. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, today we are having a shoe haul from 3 different brands: Ego Shoes, Fashionnova and Shoedazzle. So stay tuned if that's something you're interested in. So first off, we are going to start off with Fashionnova. I have two shoes from Fashionnova. We are going to start off with this one because I don't know, it was the first one I picked up, but I like this shoe because it has all of the sparkly dazzles on there. This shoe was definitely trending earlier this year. I bought this shoe for a special occasion but decided not to wear it, so I really haven't gotten a chance to wear this out yet. But the heel is not something that you could wear long term. I tried this on and I instantly realized that this heel is just for pictures. Like you put this shoe on, you take pictures, and then that's the end of that. But I do like the fact that it's bedazzled. All the strap is bedazzled as well to match the front of the shoe. And like I said, this shoe has been trending all summer long. You also have the square toe, which is really good for people who have trouble walking in heels. I really think that this type of like shape helps with, you know, balancing and being more comfortable in heels. So yes, the front of the shoe, yes. The heel, not so much. Okay, the second shoe I have from Fashionnova is this perspex heel, and this one is open toe at the front as well, but it is shaped like a triangle. And I don't know if you can see, but the perspex heel makes like an X at the front of the shoe. What I loved about this shoe a lot was the style of the heel. It is wide on the side, but if you look at it this way, you will see a narrow heel. The wideness here helps you with balancing when you're walking on the shoe, when you're walking with the shoe, and it is just so gorgeous. Like in pictures, this heel from the side just looks really cute to me. They give you a really long strap, so it goes all the way up to your knees, if that's something that you like. I kind of just wrap it up and keep it low, but I will wear it one time kind of long all the way up to my knee. The reason I don't do that is because it tends to fall, you know. So to save myself the embarrassment, I just kind of wrap it real low. But let me warn you guys, this shoe, my toes come hanging out at the sides all the time, especially if I'm like walking downhill, and it makes it very uncomfortable. So you have to be careful how you tie these shoes. I would say tie underneath first, like do that hack where they tie underneath first and then they start wrapping it up, because if you don't do that, it's going to just your foot is literally just going to be sliding the entire time that you're wearing these shoes. They are cute, but they come with that cost. But yeah. Next, I have shoes from Shoedazzle. So I have two pairs of shoes from Shoedazzle. These aren't completely new. I have had them for like maybe a year, but I haven't really worn them like that. So I decided to put them in this haul because they do give summer vibe. The first heel is this perspex heel, and it is so tropical and cute. I really like this, and I don't think I ever showed this before. If I have, then sorry. But it's pointy toe, but it's not as narrow as the Fashionnova shoe, so you don't have that same problem with your feet sliding. And because of the width of the perspex, your foot doesn't go all the way to the front neither, so that makes it a little bit more comfortable. The heel is high, I would say 4.5, but I mean that's the height I usually wear my heels anyway, so it doesn't like strain my foot or anything like that. Obviously, if you wear it for a long period of time, you will feel that pain. But I love the color because it gives me like tropical vibes. Every time I see it, that's what it reminds me of. But yes, I completely love this shoe, and I think I got this on sale for maybe like $10 on Shoedazzle. I don't know if they still have it, but if they do, I will link it below for you guys. And here's a close-up of what that design looks like, and she is just so cute. Another statement piece from Shoedazzle is this perspex heels. And as you can see, this one has spikes all over it. Now I know spikes were trending some years ago. I don't know if it's still trending now, but to me, I really like these. Like, that's the type of shoe you wear like a really colorful nail polish and make sure like your feet look all cute and well done. And then you put these shoes on, it will definitely stir up a conversation. Like, these are really cute, and I love the fact that the heel is also glass, but it isn't like a wide heel. It's wide when you look at it from this angle, but when you look at it from this angle, it is narrow and cute, and it does feel very comfortable. What I would say is your feet will start to sweat with perspex heels, so then the plastic will kind of get like foggy, but after a while it will clear up, and you know, you wouldn't have any problems with like seeing your feet and your cute toes and nail polish. But yeah, I really love these shoes, and I also got them on sale too. I think they were like less than $10 as well. Don't know if they still have these, but if they do, I will link it below. But it definitely is a conversation piece, and it's so cute. I love it and comfortable. So we're moving on to Ego shoes, and I have 6 pairs of shoes from Ego Official, I think it's called, on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link them and also put their website. They do carry up to size 11, which is awesome because I am a size 11, so that's awesome for me. And they always have a sale. I think I bought maybe each shoe like $7, except for one I paid 20 something dollars for, which isn't bad either, you know. So I really like this. The first shoe I have from Ego is this lovely green shoe. It is definitely a statement piece. What I like about these shoes is the fact that it has a thong right here that is not painful, okay? And it's a nice round shape, which is kind of unique, and it kind of crisscrosses right here, which I like as well. I also love the triangle heel on this shoe, and the fact that they give you just the right amount of strap, and the fact that it is a square toe makes it so comfortable. I have worn these once before, and I really like them. I didn't have any problems with the strap unwinding and having to redo the styling of the strap on my leg. But I really did like this so much that I bought it in 2 colors. So I also have the white version of this shoe. So here is the white. This is the white version of the shoe, and isn't this just sleek and cute? Like, there isn't much to say about it than you have to get this one. You know, I really like this shoe. As I said, it's comfortable. The white isn't like all in your face. It's kind of like a toned down white to me, in my opinion, maybe closer to an off-white. So I really like that about it. Yeah, so it's the exact same shoes, very comfortable, and it is a must-have. This shoe can go with anything because of the neutral color, but I would probably style it with like a jeans and a neutral color top, probably gray or taupe or white or off-white. But yeah, this is just giving sleek and elegant to me. So this shoe, look at this. She just looks like a baddie. Like, this is giving me, I don't have time to talk to nobody. Like, I'm on another level. I'm here for a reason. Like, I just really love this part about the shoe. So each toe has its individual place, and then there's a knot on top of the shoe, as you can see. And this doesn't, at first I thought this might have been painful, but it really isn't. The heel, as you can see, is very short. In my opinion, it is a nice little thin heel. This thing I have to take off, but I don't know how, and I just left it because I wasn't trying to break the heel. But yes, it is very comfortable. Again, you have that square toe front, which makes it really easy to balance, and they give you a thinner strap, but it is a really good length, so you can create a nice style with it as well. It didn't cause me any pain. The only thing I would say is because this part is so flat, like after a while you keep on it might get a little painful at the ball of the foot, but I think that happens with most heels anyway. But yeah, it is so cute. I love this shoe. I really this is a must-have black pair of heels, and every girl needs at least one black pair. This one is like my favorite shoe out of all the shoes that I bought, and let me show you why. The reason I love these shoes so much, besides the fact that they're super cute on their own and the color is just so beautiful and red, is the fact that it is a mixed match shoe. So next to the other side you can see it's two different designs, one with the toe right here and the other one is just a strap all the way across. So I really love that about this shoe. It does have like a perspex band on both sides to help your foot stay in place, but I just like the fact that they are similar but not the exact same. And they also have that same triangle heel that I was telling you about. Super comfortable, not too tall, and they have the square toe. Haven't worn these ones yet, but I can't wait to wear them because they are super duper. Okay, we have made it to the last shoe, and this shoe is just to die for. Okay, it definitely is a conversation starter and a statement piece. It will elevate any basic outfit. I really love this like bubblegum color that this pink is, and the fact that it's like a thong right here, but it has two straps going across. Love the fact that it's also a square toe. I've been loving square toes, if you kind of tell, and they give you just the right amount of strap as well. It's not too high and it's not too short, but the heel though, like it is tall. I will give you that. It is tall, but with all of like the thickness of the heel, it is very easy to balance. So all my new girls, like girls who are new to wearing heels, I would definitely recommend this shoe. It's not painful to wear as well because this part is kind of flat, but I would really recommend this shoe to anyone building their heel collection. Okay, so I completely almost forgot this shoe. This one is from Shoedazzle as well. Also got this one on sale, about $10. It is a square toe, but it's not as square as the others. It's perspex and it's jeans material. Oh my god, this is so cute for like the casual everyday mom not doing too much, probably going to TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Like I really like the fact that it is gold and not jeans material, because the rest of it is jeans, but you also have gold accents at the top right here. It is very comfortable because it's wide here but narrow right here, and this shoe is just everybody needs this shoe. It's a nice casual piece that you can probably use a lot. So you guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rate which one is your favorite out of all the shoes that I showed you. Is it anything from Ego? Is it from Shoedazzle? Or is it from fashionnova? And which color was your favorite out of all of the colors that I listed that you saw in this video? I appreciate you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.